Alright, so question number 4 asks, what is the sum of all the digits from 1 to 40? So that's just adding up 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way till 40. So you can do this 2 ways. One, you can just do it manually, but that would take a while. You would have to add up each digit. That would take more time than you could spend if you did it a different way. And the different way of doing it is actually a trick that most people kind of know if they've done a lot of contest math, but it's not something that people usually figure out their first time, so it's best if you've heard the explanation and then you could use it later. Whenever you're given the task of multiplying sequential digits against each other, you can usually use a trick that works for any sequence of the digits that increase by 1 each time. We know that 1 plus 40 is going to be 41. We also know that 2 plus 39 is going to be 41. We also know that 3 plus 38 is going to be 41. And we know that we can rely on the first and the last digit of the gradually decreasing range of numbers to be 41 up until we get to 20 and 21. So essentially it's just knowing how many 41s we have to multiply against each other. And we know that we're going to get 41 all the way up from 1 to 20. So we know they're going to be 20 times. We're going to see that 41 is going to come up by adding the first and the last digits. So we just take 41 and we multiply it by 20 and we can get the answer. So 41 times 20 equals 820. So that's the answer. And a way of doing this without having to derive this formula each time is recognizing that if you have a number that is the last digit in a sequence of digits that begins with 1, if n is the number, so in this case n would be 40, you can take that number, you can multiply it by n plus 1 and divide it by 2, and you'll get the same answer. So you can use this formula anytime you see this problem. In this case it works because you've got 41 is n plus 1, 40 plus 1, and then n divided by 2 would be 40 divided by 2, which is 20, and the same answer you get is 820. So yeah, just something to remember.